How to stop Snapchat story notifications. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to stop Snapchat notification for stories, here's what you can do. First, go ahead and turn off the story notifications for all friends. For that, you need to open your Snapchat application, log into your account, and make sure that the Snapchat application is also up to date. Now go ahead and tap on your avatar icon in the top left, then tap on your gear icon to access settings in the top right. Scroll down and under My Accounts section, you will see the option of notifications that is between Partner Connections and Bitmoji. Tap on that and make sure that it's toggled off. After that, you can turn off story notifications for specific friends. You can go to the friend list or chat with a friend. Tap on their name in the top. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner from their profile page. And then tap on chat and notification settings that is between manage friendship and create group chat. Once you do that, you will see the option of notification settings. Tap on that and you can go ahead and mute chats, mute calls or notification sounds and ringtone as well. You can also open your phone setting and turn off notifications for Snapchat and you'll stop getting story notifications of Snapchat. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.